Hello and welcome to ProCam. Today we're going to show you how to replace a pergola motor. When you receive a motor replacement box, there's the remote we highly suggest you to use, and another one that could be fixed on a post of your pergola, but we suggest to leave it inside or simply not use it. For the wiring, this is how you do the connection. Firstly, very important to use shrinkable connection that you can use with a torch. To maximize waterproofing of the cable, we suggest that you use another shrink to protect the first joint. You can put all cables together so it fits in a new piece that you will shrink again to assure waterproofing.